Blacksmith, 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 blacksmith. A blacksmith courted me 9 months and better. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter. With his hammer in his hand, he looked so clever. And if I was with my love, I'd live forever. And well, it's my love gone, with his cheeks like roses, and his good black billy cocoon decked with prime roses. I'm afraid the scorching sun will shine and burn his beauty, and if I was with my love, I'd do my duty. Blacksmith, blacksmith, blacksmith. Strange news is come to town. Strange news is carried. Strange news flies up and down, that my love is married. I wish them both much joy, though they don't hear me, and may God reward him well for slighting of me. What did you promise, love, when you sat beside me? You said you would marry me and not deny me. If I said I'd marry you, it was only for to try you. So bring your witness, love, and I need deny you. Oh, witness have I now, save God Almighty, and He'll reward you well for the slighting of me. Her lips grew pale and white, it made her poor heart tremble to think she loved one, and he proved deceitful. A blacksmith courted me 9 months and better. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter. With his hammer in his hand, he looked so clever. And if I was with my love, I'd live forever.